me love you in excess. Me no get you, me get vexed. Sending you a bag of text. Then it with a bag of XS.
Hey guys, welcome back to my video, a new vlog. I'm so excited because you guys don't know where I am at right now. I'm in New York City. I am here turning up, celebrating my birthday. Someone text me? I think someone texted me. Hold on. I'm turning up with my family. Hello. Yeah, I'm turning up with my family right now. I still have some other family members that are on their way. I'm here waving to a stranger. I honestly thought that was my cousin, and I'm waving like an idiot. Because you know why? Because I saw the Jamaican flag, so that's why I was waving. And he parked right in front of my house, so this is a West Indian party, so I know it's not gonna start until late. You tell people 7 o'clock, New York especially, it means 11 o'clock at night. So I'm here currently waiting for them. So thought I would talk to you guys and show you my hair and my earrings and my bodysuit. You know, I'm wearing Adidas and Fashion Nova. So yeah. Yeah, so let's see what my uncle's doing right now. Scully. See? Him dep on him one. There's Uncle Patrick. Uncle Patrick dep on him one too. Thank you. It's already recording.
Yeah, this part down. That table, Brian.
Do it over here?
Yeah,
Let me just take out the beer bottles.
When he come over now and the breeze knock me, let me reach one of drunk as I don't know.
so sorry for you, okay?
It's a tiny buckle. I'm gonna go home and drunk and take out my shoes.
Yeah, once you stop
and
it,
spell
you
out
would
there,
like
never
it.
eat nothing. So,
Hey guys! It's my birthday! And I'm in New York.
That's it.
I'm in New York City with my cousins, Junior, Jerome behind the camera, Janelle, Denise, Grandma, Ramir, Kambu. Okay, you guys are gonna have to sing happy birthday for me.
Oh yeah.
Uncle Pat, Grandma, tell Uncle Patrick to come inside.
Happy birthday.
Ready?
Uncle Patrick,
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Adriana.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Oh, Adriana, oh my God. You should let, I got a list upstairs, I forget it. I think I should go upstairs and go, but you know what? You stepped on too tall. I might as well say it all. I wish you all the best and all, everything that's good in life. And just keep it positive and just keep it real.
100.
100, you know?
Thank you.
Yeah, word up.
Thank
Word
you.
up. Just like that. That's it.
To my favorite Canadian cousin, Marie, no offense. Okay, I just want to wish you the best and a happy birthday, and just to let you know I'm always proud of you and I can't wait to see what you're gonna do next. Come back soon.
Thank you.
Happy birthday, stay beautiful, wishing you many, many more.
Thank you.
Happy birthday, cuz. Love you.
Oh my goodness, that was so dry.
That was so shy.
Cousin, that's a
Yeah.
cousin, that's a cousin?
Yeah, that's your cousin too. No, not really. Not really.
Cousin by where, from which side?
Ellis.
Oh yeah? Enough full-blown Ellis? Yeah, no, my blood, thicker than water. bucket of water and 3 beers. So I had more water than beers. So I'm still not intoxicated yet.
That's
I
good.
want intoxicated.
Okay, let me make a wish.
Just my belly full of water, bro. Alright, blow him out.
May all your wish comes through.
I hope to God it does.
Yes.
Ooh. Nice.
Give her the plate.
I don't want any. I had today. So, this is for you guys.
Okay, I'm not kidding.
Okay, yeah.
Brown cake, I can't resist. Can't eat it though.
Why?
So come to Canada. Let's say the people
Audred and Lenroy. Hey everyone, so it's day 2 of New York City. I am going to my cousin's party. It's called Daydreams. It's a party that they have every single year. It's an annual thing. It's a big thing. It's always a vibe. So I am going with my 2 other cousins and we're just gonna turn up. It is day 2. It is party day and I'm just so excited. Like, New York is so lit. Like, I really want to live here. I was gonna live here before and then things didn't work out, so back to Canada. So I live in Canada, obviously, you guys all know that. But yeah, I wanted to live here. You probably eventually will move here one day, but yeah, anyways, we're going to Daydreams. I'm gonna show you my cousins, and yeah, it's a vibe ting. It's always a vibe ting when you're on my channel. Auntie Louisa, happy birthday! Whoa. How are you? How are you guys? Wait. Hi. How you doing? Hi. Hey, Josiane. Hey. Where's Elise? What's for dinner? Where Elise? Oh, Uncle Bon! What's up? Nala. Hey, hi, Nala. How are you? Hello. Where's Elise? Nala, where Elise?
That's our cousin Adriana. That's your cousin Brian.
Hi. Nice to meet you too.
Thanks for coming.
Okay, why do you have to do it? I'm going to her thing now. You left cake for me, I'll get it tomorrow.
Everything, there's no cake?
What? There's a cake on the thing.
It's not complete yet, so I'm sure there'll be plenty left.
Okay, I'll get it tomorrow. I have to bring Chase to come.
Alright, I'll leave it peacefully.
Look at Kayla.
Thank you.
I gotta take that home.
What?
Yeah, the whole thing.
Boy, don't try me. KK.
Look.
Akayla.
You like my hair? Yeah?
Akayla. She's not paying attention. She keeps.
Look.
a bag of XX. But the love and feel for.
Support yourself. Hey. That's it, Gina? That's it? You're not gonna record yourself? No?
I look ugly on camera. I'm sorry.
Hey, Javier.
Hey,
Hi,
Javier.
Soledad.
Hi.
Hi, Adriana.
Hi, Adriana Ohh.
Adriana Ohh. Up in the cut. I'm with my niece and nephew, my cousins. But I take them as my niece and nephew.
She's a YouTuber.
Yeah?
I'm a YouTuber.
You're a YouTuber?
Yes. Ready, guys, let's do the funny face. Ready? Funny face. Okay, mad face. Sad face. Sad face.
Love you guys.
Sad face.
That sad face when you have to go back to Toronto.
Wait. I want my flight to be declined face.
Yeah, when you find out that your flight is canceled.
Funny face.
What's a funny face? What was a funny face? That's
This is a funny face. Not laughing face. You have the weirdest laughing face. You're like cheese. You're happy and clap your hands.
Clap. I can't clap my hands because I have stuff in it.
You have your phone, you have your camera. We are chilling.
So you see that, guys? I'm chilling with my little
happy
kitties here.
Kitties.
Took them to the mall.
We're not kitties.
Yes, you guys are kitties.
No, we're not. We're the
But
Kelly
anyways,
Phillips. Do you have ears? We're the Kelly Phillips. Do you have ears? Do we have ears? Yes, these are our ears.
We're waiting for the bus.
Clap your hands. Yeah, we're waiting for the
we're going
bus.
on together.
We're going on tour, guys. We're going on tour. Happy and Are you going on tour?
No.
It's happy and We're going on a tour. Happy and
So we're heading back home.
The tickets I linked down below.
We're waiting for the bus. The bus is taking forever.
We're in Queens right now. It's happy and stop your feet. Wait, are you
These New Yorkers.
Are you recording on your phone?
Yeah.
You are? Clap your hands. Is this
You
gonna be
guys-
copyrighted?
And look at those lashes. Look at those lashes.
Look at my lashes. Look at my top lashes.
Look at Soledad's.
Look at them. Don't you see them? They're amazing.
They
Look at
have
them.
long lashes, and I always say to them, I need your lashes.
Yeah, but I want to cut off my
Yeah.
lashes because it hurts. So now we're just waiting for the bus because Auntie doesn't have a car.
No, I did not
Like a
drive.
regular person
Spin it with a
does.
bag
We
of
have a
XX.
bus out here in New York.
But the love and
take the
feel for
bus.
you. Me tell
Oh,
you
it's
it's
so
the
warm.
express.